Welcome to maths class. Playing with numbers part 2. Today's concept, tests of divisibility. Okay, so already you learned how to check divisibility by the following divisors: 10, 5, 2, 3, 6, 4, 8, 9, 11. You would have to found the test easy to do, but you may have wondered at the same time why they work. Now in this chapter we shall go into the why aspects of the above. In first case, divisibility by 10. This is certainly the
easiest test of all. We first look at some multiples of 10 like that: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,
60, and then add some non-multiple of 10, those are 13, 27, 32, 48, 55, 69, so on. From these lists we see that if the ones digit of the number is 0, it means ending with 0, then the number is multiple of 10, and if the number digit is not 0, then number is not multiple of 10. So we get
test of divisibility by 10.
Now divisibility by 5, it is very easy. If the ones digit of a number is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Very simple, that number should be ends with 5 or ends with 0, then we can say that that number is divisible by 5. Now divisibility by 2, so it is also very simple. If the number is even number, then we can say directly it is divisible by 2. In divisibility by 9 and 3, both are similar. So if the sum of digit of that number is divisible by 3, then we can say that is divisible by, the whole number is divisible by 3. Similarly, if sum of digits is divisible by 9, then we can say that number is divisible by 9. So here they given some examples, go through them. In example number 4, check the divisibility of 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7 by 9. So for that what we have to do? You have to add the all digits. So after adding, here we are getting 36. So 9 how much is 36? 9 4s are 36. It means the sum is divisible by 9. So that's why the given number is also divisible by 9. So you can cross check the answer here. They divided. So the answer will be 2381843. It means it is perfectly divisible by 9. In fifth example, check the divisibility of 152875 by 9. So again here also, first add the all digits, you will get 28, but 28 is not divisible by 9. So we can say that given number is not divisible by 9. So like that, here some problems they given for you, try yourself. Here are your answers. 108. So if you add the digits, it is divisible by 9. So similarly 616. So here you are getting 13. So it is not divisible by 9. Next you are getting 15. It is also not divisible by 9. Next you are getting 9 and 18. Both are divisible by 9. Here in sixth problem, they given if the 3-digit number 24x is divisible by 9, what is the value of x? So if you add the digits of that number 2 plus 4 plus x, it means you get here 6 plus x. It means to get a number divisible by 9, how much you have to add? You have to add here x equal to 3. So then you will get the 9, which is divisible by 9. That's why x equal to 3. Now directly going to the exercise 1.2. Here all problems are similar to the sixth example. So go through the example once again and you try to do the exercise here. The first question here they given, if 21y5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit. What is the value of y? It is very simple. First you add all digits. 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. You will get here 8 plus y. So how much is required to divisible by 9? Simple thing. If you add here 1, 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So which is divisible by 9 itself. So our answer is y equal to 1. Here is your answer with description. So go through this. Like that you do the next problem also. Second question, if 31z5 is multiple of 9 where z is a digit, what is the value of z? You will find that there are two answers for the last problem. Why is this so? Here if we add the digits 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5, here we will get 9 plus z. So you can, in place of z, you can write here 0 or else you can write 9. If you write the 0, you will get the 9 itself, it is divisible by 9. Similarly, if the digit 9, you will get here 18, which is also divisible by 9. That's why we will get here two answers for the z value. Go through this explanation. Here you will get the clarification for the answer once again.
Now in third question, if 24x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Since 24x is a multiple of 3, its sum of digits 6 plus x is a multiple of 3. So 6 plus x is one of these numbers 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. But since x is a digit, it can only be that 6 plus x equal to 6 or 9 or 12 or 15. Therefore, x equal to 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Thus, x can have any of 4 different values. Let's see here the answer in whole explanation form I given. Since 24x is a multiple of 3, therefore according to divisibility rule of 3, the sum of all the digits should be a multiple of 3. So here if we add 2 plus 4 plus x, we will get here 6 plus x. In place of x, first you put the 0, we will get here 6. In place of x, put the 3, we will get 9. Similarly, in place of x, put 6, so here we will get 12. Again, in place of x, put the 9, here we will get 15. So these 6, 9, 12, 15 all are divisible number of 3. Therefore, x can have any 4 different values. Now, fourth problem is also similar to the third problem. If 31z5 is a multiple of 3 where z is a digit, what might be the values of z? So again here you have to add them. So 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 gives you 9 plus z, where z value if you put 0 you will get 9, so it is divisible by 3. So similarly next, in place of z if you put the 3 you will get 12, so it is also divisible by 3. Next if you put 6, here you will get 9 plus 6, that is 15, which is divisible by 3. Again same thing, in place of z if you put 9, so here also you will get 9 plus 9, it will be 18, which is divisible by 3. That's why 0, 3, 6 and 9 are 4 possible answers for this question. So again go through the explanation and write the answers properly.